From their first hours of life, babies born too early have a higher risk of infant hypothermia. Keeping them warm is critical to keeping them alive. The condition is most dangerous in places where healthcare facilities and infrastructure are limited, like here in Kenya.
In a day, we experience about 10 deaths from preterm births. Electric incubators are expensive, right? And most even hospitals don't have them. We have unstable power. Like right now, we're experiencing it. And that's why we're out here doing this interview, right? So when we lack power in hospitals, incubators, of course, will not work.
We exist in a very resource-constrained setup. How can we innovate? How can we look for a solution that is able to meet us at the context in which we exist?
One solution that's showing promise in Kenya is a self-heating swaddling blanket developed by a Michigan engineer. Hsia Haberl was an undergrad when she started the project that became the Warmilu non-electric warming blanket. Over the past 12 years, the innovation has shifted the course of her life and thousands of other lives around the world.
I almost died on day 0, and so there's nothing like, being born preterm and hearing those stories where the incubator saved my life in those first 11 days. I saw a unique opportunity to apply my material science engineering background to really tackle a global challenge. And what we're doing is we're generating awareness not just of clinical outcomes, but also doing a demonstration to different doctors, nurses, midwives, county health officials, everybody, to show them how the infant warming blanket and pack works. Because when people say non-electric warming, what do you mean there's not a single wire or a battery in this? It's something you need to explain to people, and showing people in person and demonstrating that with a single press of a disc that you can generate warmth, it's huge. No wires, there's nothing fancy in here.
I had the opportunity of getting to listen to Grace really explain, and it looks like it's very applicable. I know this is an innovation a hospital is able to budget and procure. So there is hope.
When we first came to Kenya, we were warming babies in 3 hospitals in 3 countries. Today, we're warming 11,000 babies in 23 countries.
It's one thing to see a product, and it's another thing to see the stories behind it. So many babies have been saved, so it's making sure that this gets to as many countries as possible. Down the line in 5 years, what I envision the future to be is where we're not just saving thousands of lives, we're saving millions of lives.
One of the best things about being an engineer is you're able to solve so many problems, and often you have such a passion for them. That's like kind of the beauty of engineering. We build things and then they go and they help people, and we might not be there, but it's like we are in spirit there with them.